Under the roof of this single-story Travis floor plan, you'll find 1,755 square feet of living luxury. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath open floor plan includes high ceilings and designer fixtures throughout. Designed with enormous bay window, this architectural masterpiece is one of a kind. The family room, breakfast nook, and kitchen all open up together to give you a great amount of space and versatility. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, a chef's island, and granite countertops. The covered patio will allow you to choose inside or out for dining pleasure. The owner's suite has a large master bedroom and large walk-in closet. The master bath is loaded with designer tile and amenities, including a custom standalone shower and deep garden tub. 2 large additional bedrooms offer all the family members lots of space and their own privacy. First Texas Homes offers a variety of different floor plans. We can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every First Texas community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.